T. Clark here with the 2019 AP Computer Science A FRQ number 1B. 1B states to write the static method day of week, which returns the integer value representing the day of the week for the given date, which is month, day, year in ints. So 0 would be a Sunday, 1 would be a Monday, and 6 would be a Saturday, and so forth. So the example they give us is 2019 began on a Tuesday, and January 5th is the 5th day. So that means January 5th, 2019 would be on a Saturday, and I would return a 6. So their example, January 10th would be the 10th day, and it would be a Thursday then. So 10 days past Tuesday. And since it's a Thursday, it'd return a 4. So they're given two methods to us. First day of the year, which takes a year and returns the integer value representing the day of the week for the first day of the year, 0, 1 through 6. For example, since 2019 began on a Tuesday, first day of the year for 2019 would return a 2. The second method would be day of year, month, day, year, which returns an n number given month, day, year, and it'll be the number, the nth day of the year. So the 10th, the 20th, the 100th, the 360th day of the year, whichever it is. So for the first day of the year, January 1st, it would return 1. And it also takes care of the leap year, so we don't have to worry about leap year. So if it's a leap year, if it's not a leap year, it would return the correct number, and then if it is a leap year, it would return the extra day. So we don't have to worry about the leap year in this question. It takes care of it for us. So let's think about this for a second. So I have January 5th is the 5th day of 2019, and that's a Saturday. So if I go Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and I count off on my hand, which you can't see, it would make sense. But if I do this numerically, that's the challenge. So I'm going to use a pen and do some calculations over here. There we go. So Tuesday starts at 2. That's a bit too small. Let's make it bigger. So Tuesday starts at 2. And if I add 5 to it, because it's the 5th day, right? Yeah, January 5th. That would give me 7. But remember, 6 is Saturday. So because I'm starting at January 1st, this number, this day of the year, I should subtract 1 from it. So I should have the first day of the week of the year, so Tuesday, plus counting for Sunday being 0, so 5 minus 1, that would give me 6. And that would be that would be Saturday, like it says in the example. Okay, let's do some quick math again. Can I erase? There we go. And then, so the other example, January 10th, is the 10th day of 2019. So 2019, again, starts on a Tuesday. Then we have the 10th day. And then that minus 1, because I want to start at 0. And this will give me, what? 2 plus 10 is 12, 11. But 11 is not on my list, so I have 0 through 6. 0 through 6. So what I want to do is I want to find the remainder for 7. So I do the remainder, 1 divided by 7, and that's going to give me 4. And 4 is that Thursday, so that works. So there's my math. I'm going to take the first day of the year plus the day of the year minus 1. Then I'm going to take the remainder when I divide by 7, the mod 7. Okay, let's try to clear all this. Go back to typing. There we go. So first thing I want to set up my result. Oh, caps int result. I start my result at the first day of the year. And it's going to be the same. It's just been the year. So I put the year in, and that's it. The next thing I wanted to do is I want to add to it the day of the year. Day of year. So I'm just passing along the month, the day, and the year. But then I had to remember I had to subtract that 1. And then I just had to turn the mod, so I return the result, mod 7. And there's my answer. Nice too zoomed in. So I could have done this all in one line if I wanted to, but I like showing each step subsequently. So that's the 2019 AP Computer Science A FRQ number 1B.